Welcome to our fact channel. Our channel has well-known, little-known, and unknown facts. Today we will discuss facts about penguins. Let's start. Penguins are flightless birds, evolved for life in the water. Their wings have evolved into flippers, which help them navigate through the ocean with remarkable agility. Penguins are found almost exclusively in the southern hemisphere, with the majority inhabiting Antarctica, the sub-Antarctic islands, and coastal regions of South America, Africa, Australia, and New Zealand. Penguins have several adaptations for life in cold climates, including dense layers of feathers for insulation, a layer of blubber for warmth, and counter-current heat exchange systems to minimize heat loss in extremities. Penguins are highly social birds and often live in large colonies called rookeries or colonies. They engage in complex social behaviors, such as vocalizing, preening, and performing elaborate courtship displays. Penguins exhibit strong parental care, with both parents taking turns incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks. In some species, males and females share responsibilities equally, while in others, one partner may do most of the caring. Penguins are exceptional swimmers, using their flipper-like wings to fly underwater, reaching speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, 24 kilometers per hour. They can dive to depths of over 500 meters, 1,640 feet in search of prey. Penguins have a varied diet consisting mainly of fish, squid, and krill, depending on the species and availability of prey in their habitat. Some penguin species also supplement their diet with crustaceans and other small marine organisms. Penguins undergo an annual molting process, during which they shed their old feathers and grow new ones. They often fast during this time and remain on land until their new feathers are fully grown and waterproof. Penguins engage in elaborate courtship rituals, including vocal calls, displays of affection, and presenting nesting materials to potential mates. Once a pair bonds, they typically mate for life and return to the same breeding site each year. Penguins communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, body postures, and visual displays. These communication signals help maintain social bonds, establish territories, and coordinate group activities. Penguins face threats from predators such as seals, sea lions, sharks, and predatory birds like squaws and gulls. Human activities, including climate change, pollution, overfishing, and habitat destruction, also pose significant threats to penguin populations. There are 18 known species of penguins, each with its own unique characteristics and adaptations. These species vary in size, coloration, habitat preferences, and behavior, ranging from the tiny little blue penguin to the majestic emperor penguin. Penguins engage in elaborate courtship rituals, often involving displays of affection, vocalizations, and intricate movements. These rituals help pair bonding and reinforce social cohesion within the colony. Penguins build nests using rocks, pebbles, and other materials to create a comfortable and insulated environment for their eggs. Depending on the species, penguins may lay 1 or 2 eggs, which both parents take turns incubating. Penguins use a combination of powerful wing strokes and agile movements of their feet and tail to propel themselves through the water with remarkable speed and precision. Their streamlined bodies and dense feathers reduce drag and increase efficiency. Penguins living in Antarctica have evolved numerous adaptations to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth, including specialized feathers, insulated layers of blubber, and efficient heat exchange systems to minimize heat loss. Penguin courtship displays involve a series of movements, postures, and vocalizations designed to attract a mate and establish social bonds within the colony. These displays often include head bobbing, flipper flapping, and trumpeting calls. Penguin chicks are born helpless and rely on their parents for food, warmth, and protection during their early days. As they grow, they develop waterproof plumage, become more independent, and eventually learn to swim and hunt for themselves. Penguin mating rituals involve elaborate displays of affection, vocalizations, and mutual preening between mates. These rituals help strengthen pair bonds and establish social hierarchies within the colony. Penguins exhibit complex social dynamics within their colonies, with individuals forming strong bonds with their mates and engaging in cooperative behaviors to raise their young and defend their territories against intruders. Penguin eggs are incubated by both parents, who take turns keeping the egg warm and protected from the elements. During this time, the parents fast and endure harsh weather conditions to ensure the survival of their offspring. Penguins are opportunistic feeders and will consume a variety of prey depending on availability and season. Their diet mainly consists of fish, squid, and krill, but they may also eat crustaceans, cephalopods, and other small marine organisms. Penguins inhabit a wide range of habitats, including coastal areas, islands, ice shelves, and open ocean regions. They are most commonly found in cold, nutrient-rich waters where prey is abundant and competition is low. Penguins live in large colonies called rookeries or breeding colonies, where they engage in a variety of social behaviors, including nesting, courtship, feeding, and chick rearing. These colonies provide safety in numbers and facilitate social interactions. Penguins have evolved various strategies to avoid predation, including forming large colonies for protection, blending into their surroundings with camouflage, and using agility and speed to evade predators in the water. The life cycle of a penguin typically includes courtship, mating, egg-laying, incubation, chick-rearing, and molting. Depending on the species, penguins may have different breeding and nesting behaviors, but the basic life stages are similar across all species. Penguins use a variety of vocalizations to communicate with each other, including trumpeting calls, braying squawks, and honking noises. These vocalizations help maintain social bonds, coordinate group activities, and warn of potential threats. Penguin reproductive behaviors include courtship rituals, nest building, egg laying, incubation, and chick rearing. Both parents typically share responsibilities throughout the breeding season, with each playing a vital role in ensuring the survival of their offspring. Penguins employ various foraging strategies to catch prey, including diving, swimming, and stalking. They use their keen eyesight and hydrodynamic bodies to hunt for fish, squid, and krill in the water, often diving to great depths to find their next meal. Penguins are highly social birds and engage in a variety of interactions within their colonies, including courtship displays, mutual preening, vocalizations, and cooperative behaviors. These interactions help strengthen social bonds and maintain colony cohesion. Penguins have evolved numerous adaptations to thrive in their harsh Antarctic environment, including specialized feathers, layers of insulating blubber, and efficient heat exchange mechanisms to conserve body heat and stay warm in freezing temperatures. Penguins use a combination of swimming, diving, and pursuit to catch prey underwater. They can dive to great depths and swim at high speeds to chase down fish, squid, and other marine organisms, using their agile movements and keen senses to locate their next meal. Penguins exhibit complex nesting behaviors, including site selection, nest building, and incubation. They use rocks, pebbles, and other materials to construct nests, which provide insulation and protection for their eggs and chicks in the harsh Antarctic environment. Penguins use a variety of vocalizations to communicate with each other, including trumpeting calls, braying squawks, and honking noises. These vocalizations play an essential role in maintaining social bonds, coordinating group activities, and warning of potential threats. Penguins are believed to have evolved from flying birds that adapted to life in the water millions of years ago. Fossil evidence suggests that early penguins had wings but were unable to fly, eventually evolving into the flightless birds we see today. Penguins undergo an annual molting process, during which they shed their old feathers and grow new ones. This process typically occurs after the breeding season and can take several weeks, during which time penguins may fast and remain on land. Penguins exhibit remarkable parental care, with both parents taking turns incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks. They work together to protect their offspring from predators, provide them with food, and teach them essential survival skills. Penguins are incredibly skilled swimmers, using their wings like flippers to propel themselves through the water with remarkable speed and agility. They can dive to great depths and swim long distances in search of prey, using their streamlined bodies and powerful strokes to navigate efficiently underwater. Penguins live in large colonies called rookeries, where they engage in a variety of social behaviors, including nesting, mating, and chick rearing. These colonies provide safety in numbers, facilitate social interactions, and play a vital role in the survival of the species. Penguins have evolved numerous adaptations to thrive in their harsh Antarctic environment, including specialized feathers, layers of insulating blubber, and efficient heat exchange mechanisms to conserve body heat and stay warm in freezing temperatures. Penguins are opportunistic feeders and will consume a variety of prey depending on availability and season. Their diet mainly consists of fish, squid, and krill, but they may also eat crustaceans, cephalopods, and other small marine organisms. Penguins inhabit a wide range of habitats, including coastal areas, islands, ice shelves, and open ocean regions. They are most commonly found in cold, nutrient-rich waters where prey is abundant and competition is low. Penguins communicate with each other through a combination of vocalizations, body postures, and visual displays. These communication signals help maintain social bonds, establish territories, and coordinate group activities within the colony. Thank you for watching our video Interesting Facts about Penguins. Subscribe, put a like, and to new interesting facts.